All right, so on this page in your workbook, what you're going to do, the lightest value that you're going to have is over here on the left, it'll be the white of the paper. Okay, so you're not going to put anything in that area there. The darkest value is going to be over here. And it's up to you how you choose to do this. You can work from light to dark or dark to light. I always work from dark to light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my paper, because you don't want to shade this in like this, because when you do that, it's going to take a long time to fill up the box. And you're going to have these white areas around the gray area that you're creating, and it's going to affect how you see the white area or the gray area. So what you're going to do, take your pencil, I turn my paper to the side, and I put my fingertip close to the end of the pencil, then that way I'm able to put a lot of pressure on the tip of the pencil, and you're going to shade that in as dark as you can. So you're pushing pretty hard with the pencil. If this is in your workbook and you have extra papers underneath your value scale here, you want to take those out and have it just so that it's like this on the table, because you'll get a darker image because you're able to put more pressure on there. Okay, so then you have your dark area here, then you'll go down a little bit, and if you notice, I'm moving my hand back a little bit on the pencil. To try and create that lighter value, and then I move it back a little bit more. And every block as you go down from the dark is going to be a little bit lighter. Until you get the whole way down to the last one here. When you get to the last one, I would take and hold the pencil at the very end and just barely let that graphite go over top of the area that you want to shade in. And get it really light. Okay, it'll barely look like anything's there. And then you can fill in the other two boxes so that it looks something like this whenever you're finished. Every value scale will come out a little bit different, but it'll look something close to this. And then what you need to do next is take these values and add them in to the circle and the cube down here to make them look more three-dimensional.